In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to place a pool on a site plan. Once you have the site plan editor open, you simply go to Pool, select the pool from the menu bar, and place the pool where you wish to place it. The pool is selected. The sizes are displayed on the side, and you can even name the pool differently, such as new pool. And once you have all the files and settings done correctly, you can simply now save it and send it to the site plan export facility. Have in mind that as with any object, when you go through a 3D model, you can use the simulation system to see sun and shade. In this example, in the early morning, so these trees are providing shade over the pool, but around lunchtime and most of the afternoon, you're okay. So you will be able to use these modeling tools as well with any of the objects, including swimming pool.